What made you to work in this field of biomedical engineering, ma'am?
It's a very nice question. To start with, looking at the average global life expectancy of a person in the year 1950, it is just 30 to 35 years. But now it is 73 years. It is almost double. And several factors involved in the doubling of this rate. Don't you feel that it is a good aspect, increasing the life expectancy of a person? So the key factors that are involved in the increasing the life expectancy of a person is the very first thing is the discovery of the antibiotics that led to the decrease in the number of infectious diseases related deaths. And next is the vaccination program. Several vaccination programs that are conducted has led to a complete eradication of several communicable diseases like polio, tuberculosis, lot of things, and that in turn brought down the mortality rate. And to speak about that, the role played by the biomedical devices or the biomedical technology in bringing up this death rate is quite high. Especially with the advent of the diagnostic technologies like X-ray, MRI, or CT scanners, even the deadly diseases like cancer, if it is diagnosed at a very early stage, the chances for curing itself is quite higher. Especially with regard to the breast cancer, if suppose it is diagnosed at a very early stage, then the chances of survival rate is 90%. So the key thing that plays a predominant role over here is the early diagnosis. And without the biomedical devices, it is not at all possible for this early diagnosis. Not only with respect to that deadly diseases, even this non-communicable diseases like diabetes, hypertension, if they are diagnosed at a very early stage, then the reversing this kind of diseases is possibility is quite high. So in all these cases, of course, the fitness trackers that we are using today has led to enormous improvement in the health aspect related to us, isn't it? And so all these factors has led to me to, even when you go to hospitals, you can't able to find any hospitals in this current scenario without any biomedical devices. Even the doctor also carries a state with them always, right? So the role played by the biomedical devices in this sector is really very high. It is very much comparable to the physician, without which diagnosis is not possible. If the diagnosis is not possible, then that condition cannot be treated at a very good sense, right? So this has made me to, so in some way or the other, it means that we are touching the lives of the patient. That is, our role is behind the scenes, but still, we are in some way or the others related to the lives of other people, which has fascinated me a lot to carry out research in this sector.
Okay, thank you.